You search for how to buy shares of Senmiao Technology Ltd, a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AIHS. This video will show the practical steps to find and buy that stock. This is an educational overview, not investment advice, so please research and confirm details before acting. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will normally have to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker AIHS to locate Senmiao Technology Ltd. Make sure the listed company name and NASDAQ exchange match before proceeding. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Check the profile and recent trading data to be sure you selected Senmiao Technology Ltd. Click the trade or buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in the portfolio view where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.